How to install the HSBC Bank app on your iPhone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, you can head over to your App Store, or you can simply head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for HSBC Bank app. In the search result, you will see different options of the app. There is the country-specific app for the HSBC Bank, so you can choose your preferred one. In this web search result, it will give you the link to your App Store. I'm using my Android phone, so it is giving me the Google Play Store link. You can simply tap on the app that you are interested to download. Now you are taken to your store. The download process is pretty much similar in iPhone and Android. Once you're in this app page, you will see this install button in your Android and get button in your iPhone. In order to download this, you can simply tap on this install button. In your iPhone, you can simply tap on get button. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After the download is complete, you'll see this open button. You can directly launch this app from here, so tap on open. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the HSBC Bank on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.